Trust is the second name of Punjab National Bank. Founded in 1894, the bank has over 6,300 branches and over 7,900 ATMs across 764 cities. It serves over 80 million customers. Punjab National Bank Digital Banking Division and IT Division has always been a pioneer in adopting cutting-edge technologies, with the sole objective of projecting the bank as the most technological savvy in the country, so that existing and potential customers prefer PNB over other banks. It is always on the lookout for frontier technologies, which makes the customer experience delightful. It is one of the very few banks which has penetrated its presence deep into India's interior areas, majorly the rural belt.
Punjab National Bank, the name you can bank upon. It means it gives a satisfaction to the customer that in case of any of your problem, you can fall upon us, you can come to Punjab National Bank, which will help you out. As I already mentioned that Punjab National Bank keeps on taking new initiatives which are for the benefit of the customers. So one of the initiatives out of the many was the solar power, which was initiated by Punjab National Bank to enhance the confidence of the customers in our bank.
Government has also recently embarked on an ambitious project of direct benefit transfer or DBT of subsidy relating to many government schemes activities. To address these issues, PNB chose CBSL Group to provide remote monitoring based solar power systems for ATMs. Several circles have installed these solar solutions at ATM sites under this initiative, which has resulted in sharp improvement in uptime and availability of ATMs. The bank aggressively now looks at deploying this proven system in large number of ATMs. The success of this system is derived from remote monitoring capability. A SIM card is installed in the system, which sends data on all energy parameters every 10 to 15 minutes to a centralized location. With the help of this heartbeat data, the health of each site is under continuous monitoring. As soon as any abnormality is observed, an alert is issued, which enables the company to rectify the problem immediately. In the absence of such control, the bank was required to depute a person to these sites to identify the problem and thereafter a second visit to rectify. The ATM was down for 2 to 3 days in the process, causing hardship and partial failure of the entire mechanism. Currently, following areas have been covered by this project. CBSL Group not only takes care of the solar power but also takes extra remedial steps to ensure that other problems in the ATM are also identified well ahead of their occurrence.
बैंक ने सोलर पावर के माध्यम से इसको जो रिप्लेस किया है, तो ये एक अच्छा स्टेप है और इससे बैंक का कस्टमर भी काफ़ी सेटिस्फाइड होगा और अवेलेबिलिटी हमारा जो परसेंटेज है वो भी बढ़ेगा और कस्टमर्स का विश्वास भी बढ़ेगा। और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ इसमें ये भी समझ में आती है कि ये लेस मेंटेनेंस रिक्वायर्ड है और इसकी लॉन्गेविटी है काम करने की वो ज़्यादा है। तो बैंक ने जो भी प्रयोग किया है, मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा प्रयोग होगा, खासतौर से एटीएम की अवेलेबिलिटी और कस्टमर्स का विश्वास कायम करने में।
Following are the benefits gained by the bank through remotely monitored solar power system. The system installed by the company has several other features, which ultimately result in better uptime and availability of ATMs. These are power conditioning unit, which ensures that clean and steady power is available to the ATM at all times, irrespective of quality of input raw power. Deep cycle 200 Ah batteries for very long backup time. Microprocessor based intelligent controller which controls the entire system. Very high efficiency UPS for optimized power output. Ultra high efficiency solar panels for daily long hours of generation of power through solar panels. It has also been observed that after closing of bank branches on 2nd and 4th Saturday, the ATM downtime has increased significantly. By installing solar-based system, this problem is also addressed.
जब से यह सोलर प्लांट लगा है, यह एटीएम 24 घंटे चलता रहता है। एरिया में और भी एटीएम है, लेकिन कोई भी एटीएम इस तरह नहीं चलता है क्योंकि ये प्लांट हर जगह नहीं लगा है। इससे हमें बहुत सारी सुविधा मिली है और हम किसी भी टाइम इससे पैसे निकाल सकते हैं।
The bank has installed these systems in some critical locations as well, such as Digital Village Dhodike in Punjab, where the bank has Wi-Fi enabled the entire village, network center at Faridabad and Gurgaon, so that all branches and ATMs connected to these centers have uninterrupted connectivity. Branch Sakirsheth in remote Maharashtra, which function without external electrical connection or generator for several months. The solar project of Punjab National Bank is a huge success, and it is marching ahead with ambitious plans to install more ATMs to provide much deeper access to the eagerly awaiting masses of India, thus empowering the nation with the power of sun.